Lakshmi Agarwal, Dean Employability from the Vishveshwarya Group of Institutions. Today we're going to talk about the importance of employability to the students. Employability is indeed the need of the day. As we go along in today's session, we will also talk about what is it that is required to help the student get employable. Of course, there are a number of intangible abilities, skills required. In this program that we have launched, it's a unique program that we have launched here at Vishveshwarya. We are working on those skills 24/7. Today we can say that whatever background the child has come from is a given. But we are working here along with the student to build a future which the student is proud of, his family is proud of, society is proud of where he goes. Employability works to inculcate those skills, those abilities, those competencies which are making our students fit for the corporate world. We have programs, we have faculties, we have an environment which is totally immersive. The very surroundings are such that it enables the student to put in long hours of study, close interaction with faculties, senior faculties with experience, also the approach to faculties and professionals from the corporate world. All this enhances the motivational level, the development and the growth of the minds of the student. It makes him work, makes her work on the skills which are required for the success in the corporate world, helps the students go step by step on the ladder of success. We learn essential skills, there is continuous learning, there is an environment in which the student wants to learn more and more, gets interested in knowing more and more. The teamwork, the team interactions, the playtime in the open fields of Vishveshwarya encourages those traits which are required for a successful corporate person. They learn to have a positive outlook, a positive attitude, solve problems effectively. Of course, good communication skills, working together in a collaborated, well-coordinated manner is the essence of this unique program. It is indeed amazing to have the employability program which is so diverse and so complete. It is so dynamic that it forces the individual, it just pulls the individual and attracts the individual towards working in a happy frame of mind towards the goals. I will share with you one important element to manage your day's routine, your day's work, students, and that is time. Supposing you had a bank in which you had 86,400 rupees dropped into that account of your bank, wherein you were supposed to use that amount by the end of the day, and whatever of that you could not use would be lapsed. What would you do? अगर कोई ऐसा बैंक होता जिसमें हर दिन आपके पास सुबह सुबह 86,400 रुपीज़ ड्रॉप हो जाते, और यूनिकनेस ये थी कि इस बैंक के अकाउंट में सोने से पहले जो कुछ आपने उस दिन का अमाउंट यूज़ नहीं किया है वो लैप्स हो जाता. मेरा बेटे आप क्या करते, बेटी आप क्या करती? मेरे बच्चे जवाब देते हैं, मैम मैं इसका एक एक रुपया यूज़ कर लेती. राइट? इससे भी ज़्यादा पावरफुल बैंक आपका बर्थ राइट है डियर स्टूडेंट. 86,400 seconds come into your account every day. Learn to use that profitably and your dreams will be fulfilled. Learn to prioritize, understand where you want to be after 5 years, 10 years, and remember you have to work on a lot of intangible aspects to build up a personality which fits the need. You have to manage your time well. You have to understand that time is life. You have to understand your biorhythms, Use your energy well. When your energy is peaking, that is the time to do work which is difficult, which requires more concentration. The 80-20 rule is an amazing rule of time management. 80% of time, effort, money gives you 20% result, and vice versa. It's a universal law. So please understand that what is it? When is it that you should do that task, so that only 20% of your effort gives you 80% result. It's an amazing phenomena which a lot of successful people use. Lastly, I want to touch upon this very, very important slide, the concept of urgent and important. This is what helps you prioritize your work through the day. In 24 hours, if you see, there are some tasks, there are some activities which are a must do. They come in that category. They have to be prioritized first. They are urgent, also important. If I work down further, there will be a lot of tasks for me today and for you today or any other day which are important but not urgent. They will be prioritized as second category. But students, remember, it is second category which is the best for life to be lived in. While the task is important, I should start working on it so that the urgency doesn't come or is minimized. The third quadrant here talks about tasks which are not important but urgent. Here we have to learn the power of delegation. You need to spend time when your first and second quadrant tasks are awaited. Now the most important here is the last quadrant. Have a look. It is filled up with tasks and activities which are time wasters. They're neither important nor urgent. See how much time on a regular basis you spend in this quadrant. Minimize that and you will be able to create more time to manage better employability skills, hone on to those aspects which are required in the corporate world in a comfortable, easy, ongoing manner. Learn to prioritize. Learn to put your work of the day into the quadrants of urgency and important. Prioritization is the key thing. लास्ट में कौन कहता है कि हम ये नहीं कर सकते या वो हम नहीं कर सकते? अरे भगवान को भी तो गोपियों ने नचा दिया, माँ यशोदा ने भगवान को भी गोदी में सुला लिया, शबरी ने झूठे बेर भगवान को खिला दिए. तो कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं, मीरा की तरह हम बुलाते नहीं? कौन कहता है कि मेरा स्टूडेंट एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी के लैडर पे भागा 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 ऊंचे 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 जा सकता नहीं? अरे कोशिश तो करिए, टाइम मैनेज करिए, प्रायोरिटाइज करिए. पूरा एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी प्रोग्राम यहाँ छाया हुआ है. एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी होगी ही होगी और अच्छे से अच्छी होगी अगर आप इस पे मेहनत करें. प्रोग्राम तो हाजिर है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.